What if getting rich isn't only about how much money you make, but about how you think about money? Two people can earn the same amount. One spends every extra dollar. The other uses part of it to build something that can generate more money. Imagine you receive an extra $1,000. The first question many people ask is, what can I buy? A different question is, what can this money produce? That small change in perspective can completely change the way you make financial decisions. Wealthy investors often think in terms of assets, cash flow, and long-term value. Instead of seeing money only as something to spend, they can see it as a resource that may create future income. Think about a simple example. You spend $1,000 on something that loses value after you buy it. And that leads to another important idea: time. Building wealth usually isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about what happens when money has time to grow. Compounding can work in a similar way. Returns can generate additional returns, allowing growth to build on previous growth. But there's another difference in thinking. Wealthy people often pay attention to opportunity cost. Every dollar spent on one thing is a dollar that cannot be used somewhere else. A new phone, a luxury purchase, an investment, education. Each choice has a different possible future outcome. And then there is risk. What could go wrong? How much could be lost? What is the potential reward? And can the loss be survived? This is why diversification, emergency savings, and careful planning matter. But perhaps the biggest difference is time horizon. A short-term thinker asks, what can I get today? A long-term thinker asks, what could this decision be? That question changes behavior. It changes spending. It changes saving. It changes investing. And it changes what. So, do rich people have a secret way of thinking? Not necessarily. But money can be consumption, or it can be a tool. Because wealth isn't built by one giant decision. It's often shaped by thousands of small decisions, repeated over time.